Now at 6, the woman accused of killing these two twin girls back in 2019 has pleaded guilty in front of a jury tonight. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. I'm Madeline Bierster.
And I'm Carson Bush-Jost. ABC Big 2 was inside that courtroom today. Let's go to ABC Big 2's Rachel Hallam, who was live at the Ector County Courthouse.
Rachel, this trial has been moved to the punishment phase now.
That's right. The trial started Monday, and today Garcia changed her plea to guilty on 2 counts of intoxicated manslaughter. The jury also heard several testimonies today as part of the punishment phase of the trial. This is what Garcia could be facing: no less than 2 years and no more than 20 years in prison. She could also be fined, and because she has no other felony convictions on her record, there's a possibility she could only get probation. Testimonies that were presented in front of the jury today included the twins' cousin, Danny Chavez, who was only 17 at the time of the crash. Chavez testified that he was at the scene of the crash and heard it happen. Court records state Chavez was the one who called 911 that night, and the audio of the phone call was played for the jury, where they could hear screaming and crying in the background. Chavez says since the death of the Coy twins, there is something missing. It's just not the same. Now later today, the courtroom heard testimony from the Tarrant County medical examiner, who said the girls had broken bones, skull fractures, brain injuries, internal injuries, cuts, and bruises. And despite the effort from witnesses to revive the girls with CPR, the medical examiner says they could not be saved. A crash reconstruction said Garcia was going about 64 miles per hour and didn't hit the brakes until after she hit the children. The jury also heard Garcia's blood alcohol level today, which was 0.106, over the legal limit of 0.08. Now the trial will continue tomorrow, and the jury will hear more testimonies and be able to decide the punishment for Garcia after all evidence has been presented. ABC Big 2 News will be in the courtroom again tomorrow, and will update the trial as it develops. Reporting live in Odessa, Rachel Hallam, ABC Big 2 News.